welcome to my video. I'm going to show you guys how I maintain my twist. Okay, so it's Monday morning and I just woke up. My arms so long. Oh my god, look at that arm. Jesus. Sorry, God. But, okay, so first I'm going to spray my hair with some water. And then I'm going to put some oil in my hair. This is JBCO Sunny Isles lavender oil. Yes, it's so good. Curl's Daughter hair milk. Yes, I use that to refresh my hair daily. And I use this other oil called Garnier Fructis, the avocado. I love avocado oil. It's wonderful. Makes my hair shine, actually. And I use this spray. I call it my magic spray because it holds and it makes my hair shine really well. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is, like I said, wet my hair. Yes, those twists, girl. Yes. They keep springing back. That just makes me so happy. And so, yeah, I'm about to spray my hair with some water. See them edges, y'all? Them edges. I don't even know if they're growing or not, but I've been doing scalp massages for 3 weeks now, but I don't know. I'm trying. So yeah, I'm adding the refresher in my hair right now and kind of like squeezing it in. I don't really spray it around because the spray bottle has like a narrow nozzle and it's just, I don't like it. It doesn't spray everywhere like my water bottle. So after that, I'm gonna add my, ew, what is that? And I'm gonna put this all over my head. This little squirter thing got going. It's so hard because I'm running out. Yep, I'm putting that all over my head. It makes my hair feel really good and it smells good too. But it makes my hair shine a lot. Then, after I put all this oil in my hair, I'm gonna give myself like a small little scalp massage. Yes, the Jamaican black castor oil scalp massage. They make me relieve. I mean, I used to stress a lot, and so just doing this, it just relieves my stress and make me have a clear mind for a new day. I'm a morning person, so you guys see them edges? Or see this one side? That side is my trouble side. It just doesn't cooperate for some reason. But yeah, it feels so good that you guys see my face. It feels so good. I be taking deep breaths. So now I'm about to spray my hair with my magic spray. This spray is so good, y'all. Like, it just holds my twist in place and it gives my hair really good shine. So I'm about to put everything up and start wrapping my hair. I'm so silly, y'all. Pray for me. When I wrap my hair, I put this hair scarf on first, and then I also put on my slap by Grace Alea. That slap is amazing because when I don't feel like actually putting this hair scarf on and I just want to knock out, I literally just throw that cap on my head at night. Or when it's really, really cold and I need my ears covered up, I wear that hat. And even though I just don't like, sometimes I don't like wearing it because it makes me, I don't know, I don't like how it looks, but I wear it because it's so convenient, you know, and I just dress it up with some earrings or something. But yeah, I usually put my hair up like this until I get ready for school, and when I'm about to walk out the door, I'll be ready to walk out the door flawlessly. Yes, woman, yes. But thanks guys for watching and have a wonderful day, wonderful Monday. Bye. I almost forgot. Please add me on Snapchat, Instagram, and please subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos.